Banyoles always has attracted ragness and extravagance.
Cuba Libre was the great drink of some years ago.
People wonders if each singer was going to break his guitar or not.
Sua was a singular woman in the Banyoles of our childhood.
Brugada's house is a temple of shopping.
Time is a nice cube that is melted in a gin tonic.
David from the Passage is a gentleman. He will mark a style.
But what are so many Chinese doing in Banyoles?
You work so much. You have your life asphalted.
Save me first! I'm from Banyoles!
Hooray for us and the people who are like us.
We are from Banyoles, so we are family.